Hello, thank you for joining us at GRA Services. Today we are introducing the latest evolution of our most popular product, Secure Set. 20 years ago we brought Secure Set to the market for the use by the electric utility industry for setting all types of large utility poles, telephone poles, lights for stadiums, things of this nature. This high density foam is used across the nation. We have come through with unique packaging applications and formulation. This is actually the strongest high density foam on the market for that particular use. In 2009, we modified the packaging in order to bring this to the residential and commercial fencing industry. Very easy to use, just measure out small portions of each component, put them in a common mixing vessel, mix them up, and pour them into the hole. Very easy for setting fence posts, birdhouses, mailbox, deck posts, even pole barns. We were then asked if we could get this down to a single post pre-measured product. So we call this Secure Set SP, and very simple to use. Mix up the components, pour them in a hole, single use, use it once, throw it away. And even further, for posts such as satellite dishes, or even when you have a leaning fence, you push the post back up to an upright position and you have a small void on the downhill side of the post, mix it up, pour it in the hole, perfect. But over the years, we have had so many requests, people asking us, can we spray this? Is there any way to put this into some apparatus that we can just spray it? Sometimes you may need to get the foam deep underneath a washout on a driveway or under some type of concrete pad, and it's difficult to do that when you have a pourable product. But when you have a setup that is designed to spray or thrust the foam some distance, 4 or 5 feet, this is ideal. So after 2 years of R&D and market testing, today we are launching Secure Set Spray Foam. Very easy to use. As you can see, it comes in a twin canister setup with about a 12-foot hose. How you activate it is you just turn on the valves at the top. That will pressurize the hose. It comes in a setup like this. First thing you do is you push out the template on the top. That allows you to carry it with the handle. Remove the contents. Pull out the hoses. Feed the hoses through the hole slots on the side of the box. Close the box up. Make sure you have activated the valves and pressurized the hoses. So very simple to use. Take one of the nozzles, attach it to the end of the gun. Once the hoses have been pressurized, everything is pre-mixed at a precise ratio. And then last thing to do is release the safety. Once you've done that, basically you're set, you're ready to go. Secure Set Spray Foam comes out as a froth foam. It will expand 2 to 3 times this volume. So when you're filling a hole around a fence post, just fill the hole halfway, and that should be sufficient with the foam rising up the rest of the way to fill the hose. Now, there are times when you may need to get even further, and so, or deeper for the matter. So with that, you can put these extensions on. These are included in the kits. When you're setting fence posts and you don't want to continually change nozzles, what you would do is you would set 2 or 3 fence posts up in a line, and then as you complete the first fence or the first post, you would then walk right to the next one, and as you can see, it's so portable that you would go from hole to hole to hole. This kit will produce 10 cubic feet of foam. That means that you can set 20 4x4 wood posts in a hole 8 inches wide and 24 inches deep. If you're using 2 3/8 inch galvanized posts, you'll have a 6-inch diameter hole, 24 inches deep. You can do 25 posts with this kit. Cleaning up. Reset the safety. You remove the static mixer. You take a paper towel and clean the end of the gun very well. In subsequent videos, we're going to actually show you the setting of posts, but today we wanted just to introduce to you the latest version of our product, Secure Set. Thank you so much for all your questions and suggestions over the years. We hope that this will help solve a lot of those issues about mixing and pouring and preparing the product. Thank you very much. We're so excited to bring this to the market, and you can find it at our website, secureset.net. Thank you very much.